Yo, testing, testing, testing. Yo, come on, chat. Let's see. Let's hope that the stream is on. Come on, dude. Come in. Come in, dude. Yo, what? Okay, that's the one. That's the one. Perfect, perfect. Yo. My name is Menace, short for Menace Kaat Lunga. Joking, joking. Cool, cool, cool. So let's continue with the third stream. Gonna lock in, guys. Just gonna wipe code for an hour, or maybe a little more than an hour. But the idea is to build out some features, and then you know the goal is gonna be directly to push to master, which is gonna do some evil shit like that. Like not even gonna worry about uh, getting reviewers on my PR because it's like a very early stage project where no one gives a shit. So I will also not give a shit and I will directly push to main. Anyways, cool. So uh, bin. Let's see. So this is light mode. This is what K10s looks like. Okay, you know what? I'm gonna be opening K10s in. I'm gonna close this one and gonna be like, um, maybe something like this, and then bin slash K10s. Okay, this is how the tool currently looks, and of course there is no cluster context. So if I try to do reconnect, okay, reconnect failed, connection test failed. Okay, sure, we know that. So what we do need now is we need to start Colima. So actually Colima status, let's check if Colima is even fucking running. So Colima is running, it is running, which is awesome. So if Colima is running, what we need next is we need to just bring up some cluster. I remember having like some sort of like instructions on, wait, it wasn't there like some sort of like, oops, okay, there was like some instruction in the readme somewhere which um, gave you like some idea on how to bring up a cluster, but anyways, we don't have it right now, but that's fine. Let's maybe create a new session for Cloud Code, and I want to do a couple of changes this time. I want to enable thinking. This is gonna result in us running out of tokens faster, but hey, that's what we want today. So I hope the model is Opus 4.5, most capable of complex work, which is what we want. Cool. So now, okay, what do I wanna do first? Okay, okay, I have Colima running and I need a cluster created with kind with at least 20, okay, not 20, like 50 dummy lightweight pods to test out my DUI to operate. Help me with commands. I wanna create at least 3 clusters, 50 pods, 10 pods, 10 pods, 50 pods, several service. Okay, you know what? you know what, relax. Let's just relax. Uh, let's see. Like, we wanna like create some fake nodes, right? So instead of like dummy pods, I think we should do like 50 nodes. Okay, actually, you know what, dude? Let's just do 10 nodes. At least uh, 50 dummy pods, 10 nodes, 2 nodes, yeah, 2 nodes. Help me with the commands. Okay, help me create this. So, um, this is gonna be like the easier thing to do. So let's do this first. You sure do it. Do it. Do it. Yeah, dude, just go for it. Just lock in like that. But where did it create these clusters? Okay, it did not create it here. It's creating it in like some temp folder. Okay, yeah, sure, do it. It's either gonna nuke my Mac or let's see. Oh my god, dude, we're at like 100%. Oh, okay. So we have like 8 cores and 4 cores are just like fucked. But hey, that's okay. That's okay. Okay, so 8 cores are fucked, and then like in terms of memory, we have like we assigned 4 gigs of memory, I think, for Colima. So I believe uh, it's gonna be like stuck on these like four. It's gonna like keep using half of my entire memory, and which is fine. I think I'm okay with that. I'm completely like satisfied with that. Okay, it's creating these clusters. While it creates these clusters, I'm gonna have some of my frozen Diet Coke. Oh man, this is like ice right now. Tastes great though. I don't know if you should even be having iced Coke, but hey, whatever. Whatever. Okay, so let's see. Uh, 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 pin slash K10s. There are a couple of issues here. Like, so if I do like nodes, it's not gonna do. But if I do resource or RS nodes, resource, okay, RS nodes. Wait, what? Oh, okay. Because there is nothing running here, it's just gonna be like, hey, whatever. Okay. Hey, relax, dude. Okay. Now let's start with the user experience, right? Like the first thing that a customer who will be using like a TUI to access their cluster is like, because I'm creating like these 3 clusters, I should have the ability to like quickly jump and switch between these multiple clusters, right? So the first thing I want to do is implement. Let's go to the roadmap real quick. I'm gonna go to roadmap queue. So the first thing I would want to do is implement this thing called SSH. Nope. Syntax. Nope. Switch between. Okay, yeah. I think the first thing I want to do is like switch between cluster contexts, because to me it feels like the entry point to the tool. Like if I am working on a tool, so I'm gonna be like, okay, git checkout b ctx. Oh, actually, dude, um, I don't know if this is already implemented. Okay, so there is this ability to go through clusters. Okay, this is very interesting. So if I do this, But if I do this, okay. Okay. Um, okay. CTX. What am I doing? CTX, bro. Okay, man. So it's gotta be somewhere, right, in our code base. So, not this. What is this bullshit, bro? Why is there like so many of these? Disconnected.go files. Okay. Whoa, fellas. Oh, okay. Got it. No. We don't need to worry about this. Okay, so this is the context. So execute context command. So we already have the ctx command in place. So which is good, I guess. Is there a way for me to like know what's the output of this shit? Finagling. Okay. One cluster with 10 nodes. Is that gonna like nuke my? Oh my god, bro. Okay. Let's see what's happening. Let's see what's happening, guys. Oh my god, dude. It looks like. Okay, I'm trying to stream, but if my internet bandwidth is not good enough to stream, I guess we're fucked. We are screwed then, guys, but it's fine. I do need a better, strong, like better machine, to be honest. Like, I need some sort of PC where, like, my MacBook Air is great. Don't get me wrong, but it's very limited. Like, I would want to SSH into like some sort of like decent environment, and then like like a like a more powerful machine maybe, and then go from there. And I don't know how to do that. I think I could just like get a server. I could build a server, like a home labbing situation or something. But come on, guys, this is taking too long. Let's just create a simple cluster. Oh, okay. I was thinking for too long, dude. Oh, so it was doing something. No, why? Sometimes it just becomes very annoying. But uh, let's see. Kind versus walk. I don't really need a real Kubernetes cluster. I just need like a fake Kubernetes cluster, guys. Okay, so Kubernetes without kubelet enables setting up cluster of thousands of nodes in seconds. Under the scene, all nodes are simulated to behave like real ones. So overall approach, okay, low resource footprint. Oh, I get it. I get it. So Quark seems to be just better. I feel just lower resource footprint. Okay, let's do one thing. Let's delete all kind clusters. We want to do something extremely low resource footprint. So we gotta create clusters with. Okay, so we'll create like Quark clusters. I'm gonna read the documentation while Claude does its thing. So let's like maybe do this instead. Okay, so kind runs Kubernetes in Docker, creating a real cluster. If you deploy a Nginx pod to a kind cluster, you could call to its IP address and get an HTTP response containing HTML page. But Claude cluster nothing because the pod isn't real. Okay. That's good. That's good. We don't need a real pod. Like we don't really need right now the ability to yeah, really right now we don't need the ability to um, oh, that's beautiful. Quark can reliably maintain like 1,000 nodes and 10,000, 100K pods easily. Okay, that's perfect. Okay, Quark can create 20 nodes or pods per second. Ooh, this is so cool. That's all I need, dude. This is beautiful, dude. So do I need Colima to run Quark? I don't know. Do I need Colima for Quark cluster? I mean, I'm hoping not. Okay, I really think we could just stop Colima and then free up a lot more resources on our uh, weak, cute MacBook, and then, okay, I'm just gonna do Colima stop. Because, like, fuck this. We're waiting for nobody, bro. Sorry. Sorry. So, don't need to wait for anybody or anything or anyone. So, we're gonna delete this. Okay, perfect. Colima is shutting down, which is awesome. Yeah, delete clusters all. Yes, please. Yes, please. Why do I need Colima though? Why do I need Colima? Okay, maybe I do need Colima. But I thought the entire point of Colima was to not like I thought the entire point of Quark was to not have like a container runtime. Okay, let's see. Oh, okay. So you need like some runtime, I guess, and then you can do kubectl connection with the cluster. Okay. I see you. This is my kube config. Okay, this is awesome. This is really cool. And then adapters. That's awesome. Blog, maybe. No, I'm not interested in the blog right now. Performance. Yeah, let's do that. Okay. Scalability. Oh, that's awesome. That's awesome, guys. That's awesome, guys. Okay. Gotta delete all. Oh, okay. I see now. I needed Colima to be able to delete all clusters, I guess. Let's see. I think I got Quark CTL, bro. Yeah, do it. Let's do it. Okay, so Quark CTL create cluster hyphen name cluster one should work, right? So let's see. Quark CTL, Quark in cluster, Quark out of cluster. Okay, bro. So okay, okay, make it sense. Now bringing the VS Code screen back. I'm gonna be like, let's see. I wanna list all. Let's see if I do kubectl config. Yeah. So kubectl get config should like give me all the possible clusters that I have. So cluster one is the one that I have right now, and okay, and this is what it points to. Okay, so if I do K10s, it should have pretty much. It should by default try to open the Quark cluster. Let's see what happens. Okay, so this is Quark cluster 2. Okay, there's. Ooh, okay. Interesting. Yeah, sure, please. Oh, I think it just randomly changed context. Oh, it's on Quark cluster 3 now. Okay. Whoa, relax, guys. Okay, so this dude's clearly doing something funny. Oh my god, dude, this is like some funny shit. But okay. Okay, like Claude is doing stuff, which is pretty cool. Yeah, let's do it. Let's just create random ass nodes, bro. Let's do it. Let's just create fake ass pods, bro. Oh my god, my Coke is all ice now. Gotta wait for it to melt a bit, I guess. But let's think. Like, what are the things that I wanna see in my cluster, right? Hey, dude, what? What the heck? Dude, what? Yeah, dude, what the fuck? What the Sigma? What the Sigma, bro? Okay. Man, I need to like move into a new apartment, dude. Like, and I'm not even doing that. I have to like do that day after tomorrow, which is what? Which is a Saturday. Saturday. And I need to clean my fucking room, bro. It's like dirty AF. Got a vacuum with me and everything. This is insane, guys. Yes, please, please, Mr. Claude. Stop asking me. Just do shit. Just do shit and leave me alone, bro. Okay, so. Okay, so this is on like cluster 3 right now. Um, so we wanna like have a better interface. Like I'm gonna do a couple of things. One, I'm gonna do like a profile like affordance thing. Like when I'm using K9s, right? Like I am always just directly typing colon pods or colon nodes or colon namespace or ns or something, right? Dude, don't do this shit. Like, what is this shit doing, bro? Okay, anyways. So, okay, the nodes are ready. Pretty good. Okay, awesome. Thanks. Okay, we'll not press enter right now. So, okay, so this is my cluster. Let's do CTX. And these are all the different clusters that I have. I'm gonna go to cluster 1 and you will see that it has all of these cool pods and yeah, it's got these cool ass. Oh my god, dude. Yeah, of course, there's like nothing real happening there, so it's just gonna be failing, but okay. If I do a describe, it does show me something, which is kind of cool, but this is such a shit experience because, like, when I'm describe. Okay, hold on. Let's do K9s. Right? So K9s immediately entered full screen, and if I did like a D, it's like, okay, it's like a nice vertical scrolling thing. Pagination here does not make a lot of sense, bro. Like, okay. Okay, so here's the thing. Pagination does not make a lot of sense, honestly. I like the vertical scrollable thing that this has, and like, let's see. One thing that this does is like it obscures automatically, so this is good. Uh, okay, so let's see. Export go bin equals. Okay. What am I doing, dude? Like, what the heck? Okay, I need like a newer terminal, honestly. This terminal is like fucked, bro. Okay, so what I do want is export path equals dollar path colon bin, bro. Like, because I just wanna do this, right? I just wanna do this and like keep experimenting. Now, one problem is when I do K9s, it's like 3 letters. It's easier to type, but when I do like K10s, it's like, okay, my keyboard has to go to like a completely like my left hand has to like press a button on a completely different place, and then I have to press 0 and then I have to press S. So this can be like kinda painful, right? So I'm thinking like we could also perhaps have some sort of alias, right? Like for example, whenever you are installing K10s, you should also be able to probably like call it via like K10s or like some key, some CLI name that is just easy to like just call maybe, I don't know. So KTN, this kind of seems pretty easy. Okay, this also kind of seems pretty good, right? Like, okay, but I'm gonna like stick to this thing. Now here is what I want to do. There are a couple of questions, right? Like, for example, when I do a context at the top, uh, so let's like do some cosmetic changes first of all. Um, we have K8s versions, we have like CPU and memory. I don't even want that, dude. I think that's a distraction, I feel. Pods, I mean, bro, like, sure. Pods are sure. Like, okay. Okay, so this auto scroll kind of works, I guess. But, okay, so CTX is gonna be like, okay, failed to connect to this cluster, failed to connect to this cluster. We are on this, but I'm like, hey, oh my god, dude, this shit broke. CTX, oh my god, this kind of breaks. So this is definitely break-in, right? RS nodes. This also broke. Okay. Okay. Awesome. Sweet. Let's squash some bugs first. Okay. So, let's see if it's reproducible so that like RS nodes. Okay, so KTNS, CTX, the first one is gonna break. Okay, so when I do CTX, I see a list of clusters. When I press enter on any of these clusters, Quark cluster 1, Quark cluster 2, or Quark cluster 3, K10s crashes and I run into this error, which is, hey, come on, dude, like, yo, what? K10s, yo, what? Now the thing is, it's gonna be like, oh my god, there is no way. Okay, you know what? I'll just like panic. Did not get unstructured. Got v1 dot status, and then go routine 23 running. Yo, relax, dude. and more stack trace. Uh, it definitely switches the cluster context, but then immediately crashes. Okay, I gotta like find out a way to reset the terminal, honestly. Yo, don't do that, guys. Shut the heck up, bro. Okay. So, okay. This is gonna be happening. So, what we need to do now is git checkout be uh improve. Okay. Just do bug fixes. Let's see, 0122. That's like 22 Jan bug fixes. So, like a grown ass man, just gotta fix some bugs, bro. Like, okay, my stream health is apparently back to excellent. And let's see, I bet this is because Walk no longer is hogging up all. Oh my god, I spoke too soon. Hell nah, bro. Okay, anyways. This dude's like thinking, did I turn on thinking? Or, okay, it's thinking. It's thinking. Good. Good. Think. Please think. Okay, so what's resources panics when it receives anything other than unstructured? Yeah, please go for it, kid. Go for it. Go for it. Yo, man, y'all gotta like chill a little bit. Y'all gotta like chill, bro. Y'all gotta like chill, bro. Okay, so this shit's like doing things, but I'm gonna like instead of just waiting on this, I'm gonna go look into the code base myself. And as much as I hate doing human things, I'm gonna have to do human things. So 2e, not this. It found something weird in commands.go. Let's see. So when I do a ctx, it's gonna go in execute commands, and if no arguments, list all available contexts. Perfect. It's gonna be like, okay, get available context. It's gonna call the K10s client, and then wait, I can do this myself, bro. Like, you don't have to. I'll take care of testing this myself. Let's look at the make build target, and okay, I'll take care of testing this myself. Just hold on. Okay, bro, relax. So when I run make build, and as the builds are taking too long, let's create a make target that will allow me to quickly test out my changes, and then we can do builds when it's time to push deploy etc. Yeah, I don't like it, dude. It's like, why do I gotta like a grown ass man, like, okay, Okay. Let's kind of do this. Okay, this is beautiful. This is beautiful. It like automatically resized itself, and then CTX. This is boom, dude. Look at this. So smooth, so smooth, right? CTX gonna be like, hey, I don't have a cluster by this name. I'm gonna be on switch to cluster 3. Okay, this is pretty good. Now another thing that gives me the ick is this like this tiny section here. I think it's like there's no need. There's no need for all of these like stupid instructions here, right? Let's see. Make dev. Make dev is just gonna like quickly run our binary. Yeah, I like make dev better, honestly. Just clearer, cleaner, faster, right? CTX cluster 1. Okay, perfect. Now perfect. You know what, gonna be like make dev real quick again. Let's see what's happening. Okay, so we did CTX and then did this, and when I do rs nodes, it did show me the nodes. Okay, CTX wait, what? This ain't crashing for some reason now. Okay, this is pretty good. Full screen. What do you mean? Okay, so okay. So this is like okay, but this is very weird because it's like okay, like the real nice way to view things here would have been to like uh okay, so the ideal thing would have been to like scroll vertically instead of like doing this pagination bullshit. Like pagination is fine, like I'm not saying it's bad, it's good, but like this is such a cluttered TUI, right? Like okay. um okay, perfect. Let's okay, you know what, I'm just gonna first commit this. Git status, yeah, git add, git commit, fix okay, fix okay, handle panic when switching between clusters. Oopsie daisy. Git push origin bug fixes 0122. Boom, guys. Okay, so git checkout main commanded. What I'm gonna do real quick is I'm gonna merge my PR GitHub / K10s maybe. Okay. So I will do this first. Let's look at the pull request. Let's completely create pull request like the madman that I am, and then I'm gonna be like fucking merge this. Okay, so I've merged my changes. Now I'm just gonna like pull. Okay, so we have our code base back in place. So okie dokie. Let's start coding up some features. One, let's see. Okay. Make dev. So the first thing uh, is I want to get rid of this clutter at the top. Like this is great. Like this context, there is K10s version, but as a reader, right? Like I don't give a fuck about K10s version or K8s version, right? I don't give a fuck about CPU or memory right now, right? So I think what I need is um, like a question mark key binding. Okay. First, we want to remove clutter from the K10s header. Um, on the top right, we have top left. We have context cluster K10s var K8s var CPU mem and then some uh, key bindings to familiarize the user with things. This information is very useless for a user who just wants to view their cluster. So what we will do is we will provide a key binding for question mark where in when I press the question mark button anywhere on the DUI, it opens up a tiny modal modal which contains all of the help and cluster information. So okay, first let's actually like do some designing real quick, right? I'm gonna first go to bubble tea maybe. Oh my god, dude. Come in, guys. Come in, guys. Okay. So this is bubble tea, and we wanna like check out the bubbles UI library more specifically. So we want like a component, right? So not the text area, not the table is what we already have. Progress is fine. Paginator is fine. Okay, a viewport is a vertically scrolling content. Okay, list viewport is probably something that we will be using. Customizable batteries included component for browsing a set of items. Ooh, this is so cool. Paginations, fuzzy filtering, auto-generated help, an activity spinner. Oh, this is beautiful. This is beautiful. Okay, this is cool. This is cool. There's a file picker, there's a timer, there's a stopwatch, there's a help. Come in, guys. Okay, there's a key, there's some other things in here, but that's cool. So the first thing that we wanna do is use a viewport, right? Okay. For this, okay. like let's probably go back here. This is my uh, what am I doing, bro? Like, okay, just keep it dark maybe and keep the line thicker or something. Okay, so I'm just like trying to design the K10s experience right now, but just say this is K10s, right? So boom, maybe a little smaller, but okay. So this is gonna be the majority of the K10s view. Okay, there's gonna be cat logo here, like this maybe. Uh, you know, this cat logo here, and what I want. Okay. What I want here is context is just gonna be like cluster name and then like connected or not, and then just one thing for help. Like this is all I need, honestly. Like, do I need anything else? I don't fucking think so. I don't think I need anything else, bro. I think this is like the most amount of information that I would ever need. Right? Like, why do you need more information? Like, why can I just not press a button, question mark, and then it opens up everything, right? That's what I need. So this is what I'm gonna do. So, okay. Let's go back here. So, um, when question mark is pressed, it opens the viewport component on provided by the bubble package, this one, and the help will have 3 sections. One top will have cluster info, which is a commanded, like just minimize this for a little bit. Like things like this. Next section will have things like next section will have the full help menu, which shows all possible key bindings, mappings, and other commands that we support. And the third section, I was also thinking of like showing uh, showing the current K10s settings, showing the current K10s uh, settings slash config. Can you please implement this? Okay, let's give it a try, guys. Let's give it a try, guys. Okay. Oh my god, 50% used already. Oh my god. I ain't compacting shit, bro. Like, I think I do need like a max subscription now because this is just. I need more tokens, bro. Like, God forbid a man wants some tokens for his. Let's see. This motherfucker cooking. Yo, I just wanna like. Yo, relax, bro, relax. Like, I gotta chill, bro. It's already 60% used, bro. What the fuck? I mean, bro. Yo, what the fuck, bro? Okay, I think I may just invest in. You know what? While this cooks, I'm gonna go check out Claude's subscription plans because a grown ass man gotta use his capital the right way. Claude, okay, Claude subscriptions, pricing. Let's see. So, 17 for, okay, 17 is like for everyday productivity. Okay. Early access to advanced Claude features, Friday access to high traffic times, Claude in Excel. And that's gotta be cool, bro. Okay, let's see. If I do like try this, for example, right? I'm just thinking, bro. Wait, what? What do you mean try this? Like, no, relax. Shut up, bro. Okay. We cannot let the world see our Claude history, guys. We just can't let them see it. We just can't let them see it, guys. We can't let them see it, guys. Okay, Claude's cooking. While it cooks, let's see. I'm gonna think of a few more things that I want to do with K10s. Like, if I want to make K10s my daily driver, for example, right? Like, one non-negotiable is its ability to just SSH into like any container. That's got to be like the most peak feature out there. And another thing is like its ability to. Okay. Anyway. Okay. Um, just gonna close this. Gonna go back to. Gonna go to OBS and gonna like make it show the browser again. Okay, browsing. Okay, it looks like it did the changes while it tries to do it. I'm gonna test it out myself. I'm gonna test it out myself, boy. 65% users is insane, bro. Like, the intelligence that this thing is bringing is beautiful, but it just like uses up so much of the tokens. But let's see. If I cancel my gym subscription and instead put everything in this, I think that'll be pretty good. Okay, so this is kind of good, I guess. But let's see. Okay, shift question mark. Oh my. Okay, there's a delay though, right? There's a lot of delay in this. Like, this is terribly slow. Okay. So navigation is just up down right now. Okay. Really? That's it? Seriously, dude? Okay. So let's see. Okay. Claude, just relax, bro. I wanna like do this maybe. Okay, so the problem with this is like if I do two of these maybe then it'll be like better, but the problem with this was, okay, so what is the like utilization, dude? Like, why is it like crying so much? Yo, it's like, no, it's should have plenty of like cores to do, dude. Like, whatever, bro. It's like too uncluttered now, which is like also a problem. So, here's the thing, right? Dude, like, make dev should not take this long. Like, what the fuck is going on with this? Right? Right, guys? Yo, what's going on, guys? Like, what's taking up so much memory and space, bro? Like, what the heck? Oh my god, bro. Oh my god, dude. What the fuck? Okay, I think what I'm gonna do is, life. There ain't no right answer to things, I guess. But that took too long. Okay. So, question mark? No, 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 no. This is not good, bro. Now, one tiny bug is that right after navigation action, actions, log view commands, is that the line right after is offset to the right by a large margin. We need to align it better and uh, and also we need to print the content of yo. Okay, so okay, hold on. Just like the old one. Now in the old one we had like 3 lines here, and our cat logo is also 3 lines, 1 to 3. So the G bottom and the quit thing became a problem, right? So okay. We need to print the content. If you know what, okay. Also, we should do the following: bring back context cluster and K10s version back in the header. The second column of the header should be it should be question mark, um, like new line, uh, colon for command, and escape, go back as a rule. Okay, and then a more comprehensive uh, okay, manual in help viewport. Also, no, not also. As a rule, our header should only be 3 rows as long as the logo rows are. Okay, that's what we're gonna do. That's what we're gonna do. Oh man, it's gonna like screw up everything, bro. But okay, we'll see how it is. Can you be the main character and spend all the time behind the computer? Hmm. Okay, guys. Let's test this shit out. Let's test this shit out, guys. Guys, come on, guys. Oh my god. Okay, this looks so much cleaner. Like, you can see that there's just like, I just do boom. That's it, right? Actions, command parrot, describe, question mark, taggle, lag view, if, quit, reconnect. That's so good, right? This is beautiful, guys. Yeah, I'm so happy with this. Okay, now make build. Let's try to build this shit. I hope this gets no linting errors and so on, because I'm just gonna like fucking push to main, bro. I ain't like I ain't wasting time on shit. Like I'm just gonna push this motherfucker to the main, bro. Oh my god, dude. Agree. Thanks for the feature. Let's now fix linting errors. Fix my linting errors, motherfucker. Dude, like, it's crazy. Should I even be streaming myself acting all stupid, acting like a moron? Maybe. Maybe that's just how life is, you know? Maybe that's just life. That's how it is, bro. K10s. Oh, hell no, bro. Okay, it's like we're kind of making it. I'm gonna try this in dark mode, maybe. Come on, guys. Come on. Oh my god, everyone keeps texting me, bro. Like, that's crazy. Sometimes, bro. Everyone just wants to, like, build things, but you know how it is. You know how it is. You know how it is. Sometimes you just gotta, like, spend the rest of your day just, like, building code. You know, just sometimes you just gotta be like, okay, I'm gonna build things like a bad motherfucker that I am, okay? What am I even saying, dude? My autopilot is like genuinely malfunctioning right now. It's just all messed up, but okay. Discombobulating. Okay. Okay, go ahead, discombobulate, motherfucker. Like some bullshit coverage statements going on in here, bro. Come on. Seriously, bro. Come on. Come on. Wait. What is Sigma? What is Sigma? Bro, there's no way anyone live streams the way I live stream. It's just so um, restarted. Okay, there's like 50 nodes. Um, Whoa, the help menu looks beautiful, honestly. Okay, I like this, honestly. Okay, cool. So this works now. So git status, and git add, git commit, feature, add a help modal with question mark key binding, clean up the header. Okay, git push rj main. You know what? Like, just fucking full send it, bro. Like, ain't nobody give a fuck, bro. Okay, so Loki, bro. I went like, I went like. Okay, so log shortcut help page. Okay, let's update the road map and mark ctx and help page features as done. We'd also want to close the respective GitHub issues. Um, okay. Okay, came out. One last push. One last push. One last push, Chad. Bro, like, what did you get though? This is one, and then this is one, okay. Relax, mister. Relax, mister. That is great, brother. Sure, it's like asking me to like do some crazy ass like I'm like, hey, it closed GitHub issue 69. That's insane. So I got to close the issue 69. That's crazy. Brother, that's crazy. What's 67 though? Stream logs in the real time. That's a hard one, bro. That's a hard one, bro. Yo. That's a hard one, bro. What the fuck am I doing, bro? Okay, perfect. We need to create a new issue in our road map. We have to make logs and describe output scrollable. Upload vertically scrollable. Currently it's paginated, which is very stupid user experience. We should just make that view vertically scrollable. Make two issues out of this and then update the roadmap. Okay. Okay, let's see if it genuinely created an issue. It did.